How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up your Wi-Fi for your Brother printer DCP T730. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your printer is powered on, and before we start, you also want to make sure that you have checked the SSID and the password for your router. So it's going to be this window right here. Most likely it's going to be a sticker on the actual Wi-Fi router. So there's going to be the SSID, which is going to be the name of your Wi-Fi, and same thing with the password. Now from there, let's head over to the official reference video or instructions of Brother. Now on your printer, there's going to be this on-screen menu, so you can navigate around it by using this plus and minus button. And once we are inside the right setting, you just want to tap OK. So the first thing that you want to look at is the maintenance option. So click menu, and then in here you want to scroll down. There's going to be the network option. Click on the OK button right here. And there's two types of connection. There's the wired LAN or the Wi-Fi, which is going to be wireless. So just tap on the wireless connection, find network, and from there you will be able to simply look at your SSID, which is once again the name of your Wi-Fi. So in this example, it's going to be hello, extremely simple. And then of course from there you have to enter the Wi-Fi password. So you could type it by browsing up and down, and once you have typed it correctly, you then want to press OK, confirm your actions, and you should be good to go. Now it's going to be a little bit tricky, especially when you're typing down the Wi-Fi password itself, but unfortunately this is how we can do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.